Hey guys, I thought I would give you a look at probably the most extreme blade that I've had on my on the Metallic Fanatic channel. This is the Cold Steel Bushman, uh, and this is because this is a knife that's not really a knife. And by the way, guys, if you get caught with this in the majority of jurisdictions, carrying it on your person, just be ready to go downtown. Because you might be on your way. I'm not taking this thing outside the house unless it's in this box or in a backpack or something. You do not carry this one in public unless you have a specific great reason. This is the Bushman here, and I have sharpened this, so it is a little considerably sharper than it was. You can see the shine from the bevel. I did 400, 600, and 1,000 grit. I did not use a leather belt or go beyond that, so I did not remove probably all of the potential hangers here, or so it's not perfect. So I can probably take it up to 1,500 grit. I think is the highest grit belt I've got on my belt sander / sharpener. But this is pretty doggone cool. Now the thing about this is, this is a spearhead. This is basically what it is. You see here a hole, and you just simply stick a hex screw or a wood screw through here into what is basically could be called a traditional wood broom handle, and you have a spear. So this is by no means a pedestrian instrument, and I think this would probably be a good thing if you actually want to create a bug out kit of some kind. This would be probably what you would want to use. Let me just grab a piece of paper here. It was not, and let's do a quick one here, do a quick test. Okay guys, that's pretty sharp. It was not that sharp from the company. Companies just don't send you knives that sharp. I think it's probably for shipping issues. Now this it has the magnesium fire starter here. It has enough of a backbone, a backplane here. But Cold Steel was a little bit iffy on the sheath. You know, sheaths, the sheath that you get from manufacturers are usually never that good unless you are a custom manufacturer and a custom sheath. It lost a little plastic piece in there I could probably replace, but it still wouldn't be that great. So it's not something that I would use with this sheath, and the sheath would not be a selling point. You want something really extreme though, which is basically a spearhead. So if you have a reason to have a spearhead, like I said, this is just some rolled steel, beaten out or tempered or heated, and then molded into a blade form. And this is a sizable knife, if you can see here. It takes up 2/3 of my forearm. So there's very few jurisdictions outside of, and there are a few southern states that I know you can carry knives of virtually any length, but unfortunately not in my south central state. In case, just wanted to give you a quick look at this, and like I said, it's a pretty cool knife. It's nice and light. And like I said, it's not perfectly sharpened, but it is pretty good. So that is something that if you need it, good. Bug out bag maybe. If you're going to be going in some area where you might be carrying a pole, you might want to use this for, I don't know, cutting down some limbs or self-defense. You will have a pretty titanic self-defense instrument here if you tend to use it for that. Sorry about this. So that's it. Yeah, this is CRKT. This is just a piece of scratch paper I had. This is actually a Cold Steel product. If I'd have noticed it, I wouldn't have shown you that piece of paper. In any case, that's all I've got, and I will talk to you later when I have something new. We'll be getting outside with some of the new things I've got available. So I just look forward to doing that. We're going to be doing some more outside tests in anything that requires chopping or digging. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.